What if I told you that you could start a YouTube channel today, never show your face, never record your own voice, and still make $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 a month, all through automation and AI? It sounds unbelievable, but faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now, and beginners are using smart systems to turn simple videos into real income. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how small creators are automating their content, growing their channels, and creating a reliable revenue stream. Stick around until the end, because by the time you finish this video, you'll know how to set up your own faceless YouTube channel that runs almost on autopilot. The first step in any faceless YouTube automation strategy is picking the right niche. Think of it as building the foundation of a house. If the niche is weak, the channel will never scale. You want niches that are searchable, evergreen, and monetizable. Popular niches include AI tools, productivity tips, tech reviews, finance advice, meditation, or relaxing background content. The small channels making $5,000 a month are laser-focused on one niche. This focus allows them to gain authority and helps YouTube understand their audience, which is critical for algorithmic growth. A beginner should avoid jumping between topics. Instead, pick one niche and dominate it consistently. Once you have a niche, content planning comes next. Automation begins here. AI tools can research trending topics, generate content outlines, and even produce full scripts in minutes. But here's where small channels get an edge. They don't just copy AI output, they tweak it to sound natural and engaging. For instance, if your video is about top 5 AI tools for productivity, AI can list the tools, but you add examples, stories, or analogies to make the script more human and relatable. This difference separates a video that gets 10 views from one that starts climbing the algorithm. After scripting, the next critical step is the voiceover. AI voice generators have become incredibly realistic, allowing you to choose tone, pitch, pacing, and even accents. You don't need to record your own voice or hire expensive narrators. With the right AI voice, your videos can sound professional, motivational, or entertaining depending on the content. For example, one small faceless channel I studied produced 8 videos in a single day using AI narration alone. This speed is a game changer for beginners, allowing you to consistently post content without burnout. Visuals are another piece of the automation puzzle. Many beginners assume faceless channels need expensive animations or high-end video equipment, but that's far from true. You can combine stock footage, AI-generated graphics, and simple B-roll to create polished, professional-looking videos. For example, if your video covers top productivity apps, visuals can include screen recordings, app demonstrations, stock clips of people working, and animated text overlays. Automation software can even stitch these visuals together, reducing hours of editing work. The goal is to support your narration, not distract from it. Here's where it gets interesting: optimization and scheduling. Small channels making $5,000 a month don't rely on luck, they rely on data. Each video is optimized for YouTube SEO, including keywords and titles, descriptions, tags, and engaging thumbnails. AI tools can help identify trending keywords and even generate thumbnail variations. Scheduling uploads consistently is critical because YouTube rewards channels that post regularly. Many creators automate uploads to publish at the same time every week, ensuring consistency without spending hours online. But automation doesn't stop at video production. It extends to audience engagement. Comments, community posts, and even replying to viewers can be partially automated with AI-generated templates. This keeps your audience engaged while saving hours of manual interaction. Engagement boosts watch time, subscriber growth, and signals YouTube to recommend your videos to new viewers. The small channels that scale fastest are the ones who automate repetitive tasks while still maintaining quality. Monetization is the part that everyone wants to know about. Faceless channels earn money in three main ways: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Ad revenue comes from watch time, which is boosted by engaging, consistently uploaded content. Affiliate marketing allows creators to recommend products or services in their video descriptions, creating a secondary income stream. Sponsorships are often available once a channel gains a loyal audience, even if it's small. By combining all three, small channels can create sustainable income that grows month after month. For instance, a channel reviewing AI tools could make money from ads, affiliate links to software, and micro-sponsorship deals with tool providers. Another crucial factor is performance tracking. Small channels that succeed constantly analyze analytics to see which videos perform best, which thumbnails generate clicks, and which topics hold viewers' attention. AI tools can generate reports, track trending topics, and suggest video ideas based on search volume. Channels that pay attention to data and adapt grow faster than channels that post blindly. For example, one creator realized that how-to videos consistently outperformed list-style videos, so they adjusted their content strategy and saw a 50% increase in views in just a few weeks. Scaling is the final piece of the strategy. Once you have a repeatable workflow, niche selection, AI scripting, AI voiceovers, visuals, SEO, engagement, you can scale production. Successful channels produce multiple videos weekly without touching a camera, and some even outsource parts of the workflow while keeping everything automated. Scaling doesn't mean rushing, it means efficiently using your system to increase output, reach more viewers, and accelerate growth. One channel I followed went from 0 to 50,000 views per month in 8 weeks by following this automation system. The biggest takeaway from studying these channels is that automation doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. You still need strategy, human touch in the scripts, and attention to visuals that resonate with viewers. Automation removes repetitive tasks, cuts production time, and allows you to focus on growth and planning. Beginners can compete with bigger creators if they use AI and automation strategically, producing high-quality videos consistently without being on camera. The main point is simple. Anyone can start a faceless YouTube channel and automate it to grow fast. Pick a niche, use AI to generate scripts and voiceovers, automate visuals and uploads, optimize for SEO, engage efficiently, and scale intelligently. With patience and consistent execution, you could turn your channel into a sustainable income source that runs almost on autopilot. If you found value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the follow-up where I'll reveal the exact tools and workflow I use to create fully automated faceless YouTube channels. And check out the next video on your screen to see a live example of this strategy in action. Watch it and take notes because this could be your blueprint for a full-time online income.